Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we have to solve quadratic equation by completing square method. So, in example 1, given that x square minus x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, we have to solve by completing square method. So, in first step, we have to write equation in standard form. So the equation already in standard form, x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. In second step, we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So the coefficient of x square already 1. So in third step, shift constant term minus 4 from left hand side to right hand side. So the equation becomes x square minus 3x equal to 4. After that, adding the square of half the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is minus 3. So minus 3 half of minus 3, and then square both square of this term. So this becomes minus 3 by 2 whole square. Add this term to both sides. So equation 2 becomes x square minus 3x plus minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 4 plus minus 3 by 2 whole square. So this right hand side becomes 4 plus minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 4 plus 9 by 4. This has become 4 as the LCM. So this becomes 16, this becomes 9. So 25 by 4. So the right hand side becomes 25 by 4, and the left hand side is the complete square formula. So this becomes x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 25 by 4. Taking square root of both sides, taking square root on both sides. So this becomes x minus 3 by 2 is equal to plus minus 5 by 2. Or x is equal to 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So add this term and subtract the terms. So x is equal to 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to, by taking LCM and by simple simplification, we get x is equal to 4. And here if we subtract 5 by 2 from 3 by 2, so by taking LCM, this is equal to 2. 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 will be equal to minus 1. So the solution sit as minus 4 and minus 1 and 4. Example 2, solve the solve 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0 by completing square method. Again, this equation in standard form. So and second step we have to make the coefficient of x square 1. So divide both sides by 2. We get the form x square minus 5 by 2x minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now the constant term here is minus 3 by 2, so shift minus 3 by 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So the equation becomes x square minus 5 by 2x is equal to 3 by 2. Now the half of minus 5 by 2, so multiplied 1 over 2 with minus 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 2, this becomes minus 5 by 4. Now square this term and adding to both sides. So equation 1 becomes x square minus 5 by 2x plus minus 5 by 4 whole square is equal to 3 by 2 plus minus 5 by 4 whole square. So by simple simplification, this term becomes 3 by 2 plus minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to 3 by 2 plus 25 by 16. Now to make this term becomes multiplied and divide 3 by 2 by 8, so it becomes 16, and this 3 becomes 24 plus 25 by 16. So by taking LCM, 24 plus 25 becomes 5 for 9 means 49. So the right hand side becomes 49 by 16, and the left hand side is equal to x minus 5 by 4 whole square. So now taking square root, by taking square root on both sides we get x minus 5 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 7 by 4. Therefore x becomes x and the x minus 5 by 4 is equal to 7 by 4, and here x minus 5 by 4 is equal to minus 7 by 4. X is equal to here x is equal to 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Now by taking LCM and simple simplification we get x is equal to 3, and here x is equal to minus 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 because shift minus 5 by 4 from left hand side to right hand side. Now by taking LCM we get x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So the solution is, therefore solution is x is equal to minus 1 over 2 and 3. So the solution set is equal to minus 1 over 2 and 3. This is the required solution of this equation. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the end of this lecture. I think it's enough for today. Thank you.